you're going to read it in once, it's pretty not that great, I would say, but we have to do some. We don't do like constantly, you know, during the day. But I am not that kind of person. I do like one video per week, per 2 weeks, maybe something per 3 weeks, etc. But yeah, let's talk about Bookself 3.0. Why 3.0? No, it has to be maybe 0.3. Anyways, I want to talk about Bookself, give a tech stack I used, and what's the future of Bookself gonna be. And yeah, if you don't know what's Bookself, Bookself is application booking up applications that are gonna help you to get appointments, slots, termin at Ausländerbehörde Berlin and Anmeldung as well. Probably I have to make a quick preview how it looks like. Now we probably see right now how it generally looks like and what kind. And this I just want to like make a video about what I used, tech stack, etc. It's gonna be pretty cool. And I guess it's gonna be pretty cool because I solved the problem and not a lot of people did that. There are other people who did it, but still it was just code that I shared. I probably talked about in previous videos, but yeah. Let's talk about tech stack. So basically, I have Bookself contains of 3 applications. Actually, it can be 2, but I made 3. I don't know why. It contains 2 applications. Let's stick to it. Am I sure about that? Actually, yeah, it's 2. It's 2 applications. First application, basically, it's how you can book appointment in my platform, and second application tries to find a slot for you according to your data. Okay, are we clear here? That great. And so speaking of the first one, the first will be about how I use what kind of tech stack I used. I used SvelteKit. Basically, it's kind of combines front end and back end. And you can build basically in one language, which is TypeScript in this case, JavaScript. JavaScript is kind of combination, and that's able to help people to book appointment in my platform too easily. Basically, it looks very cool, and I'm very happy that I did it. And what else? I used their Tailwind CSS, which is for styles. What kind of graph library? I guess something like that. And besides that, what else? Prisma, maybe interesting will be, and Authentication.js. That's also pretty cool. And where I deployed it, I deployed to Vercel because I want to keep it very versatile, to keep it simple eventually, yeah. I don't know what else because I was checking what's gonna happen, etc. Yes, it's first application. Second application, I used Node.js with Express, I believe. It basically tries to find an appointment. So for that I used Playwright. I believe it's called Playwright, yes. Basically Playwright it helps you to like test your application, but also end-to-end testing, or like automate your tests basically with the browser. So that's why I thought, oh, maybe I can use it, you know, and which in the end it worked, you know. And yes, Playwright, what else? Node.js, Express.js, and probably important part is Prism as well with the database MySQL. I got it from PlanetScale, and the whole second app I deployed to JSP. I did it twice. I don't know why. I mean, I know why. Like, and I know why I did it twice, 2 applications, same application twice, that's alright. And I got that trial for 3 months from JSP, so it was amazing to use it, test it. And as you know, I don't have any results, any success. Even I do actually, but the problem is, I will tell you about that. Let's make another chapter of my video, will be timestamp will be in video, which will be about why my application doesn't work. Because it's worthless, and it is probably, yeah. The problem with that is when it found application, found a slot termin at the Ausländerbehörde, it tries to book appointment there. It just stops at the loading status. Basically, it doesn't go to next page, which just freezes the whole web page. And you cannot do nothing. But I shared with my colleague, with other people, if they can book appointments with I shared the URL, and they had a similar issue, and I believe that a lot of people had, because mostly the open slots for next day, and it was really impossible to get one. Maybe another second issue is this captcha. Basically, that's I'm not robot thing, and I solved it. For that, probably it's also important to mention is the captcha solvers, etc. Just you can find them online, but you have to pay for them. But it's alright; it's not that expensive. But it solves the issue. It helps you to go bypass the captcha and eventually to book an appointment. And yes. Okay, my camera is running out of batteries, so I make it as quick as possible. So what's going to be next step for Bookself? I want to make a company out of it, not for purpose of profit, for the purpose of to maintain it, to support it, and to pay for email, domain, servers, etc. And by the way, integrated with Stripe, which is also essential, I guess, payment process. And yes, but I believe I'm gonna open source the source code, and I have to think about how I have to migrate from GSP servers to something free servers, which hopefully will be possible to do, but we will see about that. Really happy that most people use that. Like I got like almost more than 15 people, and some people shared with other people. I didn't promote that. I want to promote it eventually on Reddit and other platforms such as TikTok, etc. Anyway, but I got like up to 20 people, I guess, something 10, 20, I don't know, I don't remember, but it's really cool, and I really liked how they interact with it, and it eventually worked pretty well, I would say. Even though in the first days they couldn't do a lot of things, but now they can edit the broke platform, now they can delete, check how many like bookings are there, etc. Successful or not successful, etc. It's pretty much cool challenge for myself, and that also pushed me to become a better developer. And because it helps me right now to have mindset, build something only for my current project, it eventually will go online, and I can make a profit out of it or something like that, or help others to get their problem done, something like that. I guess it's gonna be kind of sum up my video. I hope you like it, and yes, bye.